Hey, what's up guys? My name's Samuel Leeds, and in this video I wanted to answer the common question that I get all the time. Should you quit your job to do property full-time? You should not quit your job to do property full-time if you are unsure. If you're thinking, oh, I don't know, should I? Oh, then don't do it. And the reason I say that is because it's very easy to earn a full-time living in property part-time. What do I mean by that? If you're working, say, Monday to Friday, then what you could do is on your lunch breaks, Monday to Friday, is you could book property viewings for the Saturday. And then on Saturday, instead of sitting at home on the couch, watching daytime TV, doing a bit of shopping, instead of doing that, you could go out and view all the properties that you booked. You could package them up, and then on the Sunday, you could write a sales email that you could then send out on your lunch breaks again, or in the evenings to investors on Facebook. And you could package, if you just sourced and sold one deal a month, which is terrible, it would replace the average income. If you're thinking, oh, I don't know, should I quit to do property full-time? No, do it part-time and earn a full-time living. And then you can quit. And then, as Jim Rohn says, instead of working part-time on your fortune and full-time on your job, you can then work full-time on your fortune, which is when things get really exciting. If, however, you're already doing that, or if you're like making money, you're doing property a little bit on the side, and your job is just such a distraction, and you're thinking, oh, you know, this is just absolutely hindering me, then yeah, quit your job. It also depends on things like, can you afford to quit your job? If there's two of you, you and your partner, and your partner's working and you're working, but you're saving $2,000 a month each month, and you're pretty comfortable, and you've got money in the bank, maybe yeah, quit your job. But if you're struggling to make ends meet and you need your job, then just do property part-time. There's different stages. There's full-time in property, then there's financially free, then there's ultimately financially free, and then there's mission, which is where you just get to a point where you just make loads of money and growing a big legacy, and you're doing it from a position of abundance and mission, not for the money at all. And what I would say is don't quit your job until you're at least at the first level where you think, yeah, I could do this full time, or I'm making a bit of passive income. That's my thoughts. That's my thoughts. And if you're even asking me the question to try and get me to say quit your job, you want me to endorse your thought, it means you're not ready. You're not ready. Before you even begin thinking about this stuff though, you need to get trained. Come down to the Property Investors Crash Course. We have people becoming financially free and quitting their jobs all the time, but they always invest in themselves first. So get trained, get educated if you want to start this journey. Description below, get yourself booked on.